Since my microphone is dead here, maybe I can talk about something. So, as I said at the beginning, these keychains are a gift for my mother. The story goes that she had one since she was little, but when I was little too, my grandmother gave it to me to play with, and I broke it, literally biting its head off. So this year, since they've been back in style for a while, I thought I'd give them to her as a token of apology for when I was little. Actually, I love making handmade gifts, and so here I'm trying to make a part of the gift by me, even if the only the wrapping paper. So sorry for my hair through the video, but I didn't realize that